Brodowski, founder at Million Dollar Party Girl, and I have some breaking news for your Facebook group. Text formatting is coming to Facebook groups. Well, I logged on yesterday and it showed up. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Let me know though right now if you have it. Do you have the ability to format your text? And I'll show you what that means in your Facebook group. I'm going to screen share with you guys. I'm actually going to create a post in my VIP group. Now, this is a group for paid members. It's not a free group. And I'm going to see who can see it. So I've done a little research, and apparently the text formatting is only available on desktop. So for those of you running your business from your phones, sorry. And I've tested it out. I could definitely do it on desktop, and I'm able to see it when I go to look at the post on my mobile phone. And apparently you can see it for both iOS and Android. So let's test it out and see if it works. So you'll notice as I hover over here in that left corner, you see this is the new formatting option. So H1 means headline. So I can create a headline. Like, this is a way to really get more eyeballs on what you're posting and even make your post easier to read, almost like a blog post. Hey, Visionistas. So you can see how that is a heading. It's larger than the other text, and it's really standing out. Check out the new text formatting in Facebook groups. All right, so what else can I do? If I highlight this text, you'll see a little pop-up. I can make it bold, and I can make it italic. And I'm gonna do exactly that. I'm gonna scroll down. But first, what do you think of this quote? Which I am formatting. Aha, I'm gonna put it in there. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. We'll click over on the text formatting option, quotes, and there it is. My text is now formatted as a quote with the quote symbols, so that will stand out. That's what it will look like when I post. And I can use bullet points. And we'll do that too. So click again, and here you can see I can do either the bullet point symbol, or I can do numbers and make it numeric. So again, think about when you really want to make things stand out and easy to read. This is pretty awesome. I created a bullet point. And I'm going to make this a number. I can use numbers too. So how cool is this? Let me know if you have this. And we're going to highlight that as well. I'm going to, that's what the heading 2 looks like. So you see the difference between heading 1 and heading 2. It's a little bit different. And we're going to post that. I already uploaded a photo to go with it, and I'm going to post. So that's how easy it is. And there's the graphic I use. It says Facebook group update, format your text, and gave them some examples of exactly how you can do that.